Blessings, everyone, and welcome to Tarry Homestead. Sister Marcel here, and you guys, I am overdue with this rice update. As you can see, they are well done, and so some of them are falling over. As you can see, the leaves are yellowing. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut all of this up and put it in bundles and let it dry out, because that's what you have to do. And then I'll figure out how I'm going to get the husk off of the rice. Right now it's really soft, so we want this to sit for a while and let it dry out. So I'm definitely going to be doing this again next year. Today is October 20th, I believe. Really, October 11th made 4 months. So sow to reaping is 4 months. So which is not bad. So I think I'm gonna start towards the end of May. I started June 11th. So this time I'm gonna plant towards the end of May, or when it really starts getting really hot. But as you can see, all of these rice stalks, have grain on it. I think it's about 25 to 30, maybe 40 grains of rice on each stalk. And so one grain of rice can produce all of this. So you're talking about 30 to 40 times more than what you plant. So remember, I filled this up. So some took and some didn't. So what I'm going to do, we even have some small ones here. And I really was waiting for the small ones from last time to start like bowing over, and they are. They're all bowed over. So and these little blades of rice are starting to yellow out. So I'm gonna cut these out and put them in little bundles to dry out. All right, so I have it all in a little pile here. So I'm trying to figure out if I just want to tie it up just like this, one big bundle, and just let it dry out. But look at all that rice, y'all. Look at all the rice. So if you're interested, it didn't look like it was still some trying to grow. You see? Some late bloomers. Look at this one. Look at that one trying to grow. You too late. Y'all too late. It's the end of the season. Oh, I didn't get that one right there. Because you're not supposed to cut them off if they're still green. Like that's still green, so it's not ready yet. It's when they start yellowing out. There we go, you guys. You can grow your own rice. Look at that. Okay, so welcome back. So what I decided to do is kind of take all the leaves off and just put them together in bundles like this, so it's nothing but the rice. So I am going to show you what I'm doing. Very simple here. Very simple. I'm going to make sure I put like the small ones. Like this one right here is really small, so I'm going to put a bundle for the small. Like I have one right here that is small. About to have a little mess. So like that is a small one there. This one right here is another small one. So I just pull all the leaves off of it and then set it with the small bundle. And I got the larger size bundle right here. So we're going to do like small, medium, and large. Just a large bundle. Just like that. So I'm going to go through all these. So here, one came out. So here's my 3 little bundles. Let me see if I can put them all together. Look at all that rice, y'all. It's enough to actually eat, I think. Have a bowl of rice. I think so. So I'm going to leave it out here to sit in the sun to dry out, just like that. Lay it out like that to dry out. And hopefully in about 2 weeks or so, this will be ready to break down. There you are. I grew my own rice.